Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm gonna show you how you can set a default address on your Amazon account. So let's not waste any more time and then get right into it. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is be on Amazon.com, obviously on the main page. Once you're here, you should press on account and lists here, or under your account on the account button. You can click on either one of those and it's gonna have the same result, and it's gonna prompt you to this page with your account and multiple options. On the left side, under ordering and shopping preferences, you have your addresses as the first option written in blue. You're gonna want to click on it, and once you've done that, it's gonna prompt you to your addresses. From here on, you can add an address or just manage your current addresses. So how do I make my address the default one? Once you have an address here in this little box, you should have a little blue option right here with set as default. You're gonna wanna click on set as default on the address that you want to make your default address. Once you've done that, you should be good to go and have a default address that you want. That's all there is to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.